Peer pressure. How to stand strong in your faith. For Christian teens. Hey squad! Today we're tackling something we've all faced, peer pressure. You know, when your friends are like, just try it, everyone's doing it. And your soul's over here like, but Jesus is watching. And also my mom follows me on Instagram. Let's talk about how to stay true to your faith without feeling like the weird one. Ready? Let's roll. Scenario, you're at a hangout and suddenly the vibe shifts. Maybe it's pressure to gossip, cheat, or do something that doesn't align with your values. Your heart's racing. Do you A. Fold like a cheap lawn chair? B. Ghost the situation? C. Stand your ground like Moses parting the Red Sea? Spoiler. God's voting for Kautai. Kia. But how? Let's break it down. First, you're not alone. Even Jesus got tempted in the desert. Matthew 4, 1-11, and he shut it down with scripture. So let's borrow his playbook. Step 1, find your squad. Surround yourself with friends who've got your back. Pro tip, join youth group or a Bible study. It's like assembling your Avengers, but for faith. Iron sharpens iron. Proverbs 27:17. And trust me, your squad's group chat will be way more lit than FOMO anyway. Step 2, pray for backbone. Not literally, though that'd be cool. When pressure hits, shoot up a quick prayer like, God, help me not to yeet my values out the window right now. He's got you. No temptation has overtaken you except what is common to mankind. 1 Corinthians 10:13. Translation. God won't let you face what you can't handle with him. Come on, just skip church. Let's binge this show instead. Is step 3, own your no. You don't owe a TED Talk on your beliefs. Try, nah, I'm good, but you do you. Or, I'd rather not, but let's grab boba later. Keep it chill. If they keep pressing, that's their problem, not yours. Blessed are the awkward, for they shall inherit the confidence of Christ. Okay, that's not a real verse, though, but it should be. Finally, remember, peer pressure is like cafeteria mystery meat. It seems scary, but you don't have to swallow it. Your faith is your superpower. And hey, if people judge you, they're probably just mad you're living your best life. For am I now seeking the approval of man or of God? Galatians chapter 1:10. Drop the mic. You've got this, fam. Stay rooted, stay bold, and remember, no one regrets choosing Jesus. Smash that subscribe button for more real talk faith vids and comment below, what's your go-to move when peer pressure hits? Let's hype each other up. Peace out. God's got your back, always. Ciao.